How to factory reset your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to factory reset your PC. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, press Windows plus I to open the settings. Now here, once you're inside the settings, just look at the left hand side and there you can just click on system. And now here, once you're inside the system, simply scroll down and there you can simply click on recovery. And now here, once you're inside the recovery, there you can see the option labeled as reset this PC. So here, just beside this option, you will see the button that says reset PC. So simply click on it. Now here, once you click on that, there you'll see two options. One is to keep my files and another is to remove everything. So here, if you want to keep your app settings and personal files and data, then you can simply choose this option. But if you don't want anything like your data of your personal files, then you can just select second option. So here for this video, I'll be choosing the first one, and with that, on the next page, you simply have to select a cloud download. And now here on the next page, you can just click on next, and after that, you can just follow the prompts and click on next, and after that you can just click reset, and after that your PC will restart several times during the process. So do not turn off your PC until the reset is complete. And after reset, you'll see the Windows setup screen. So there you can follow the instruction to create a new account, set language, and configure the settings. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.